Welcome, today we're going to show you how to set up and use Gemini AI with Janitor AI. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to this site as you from here. So we need to open this site as you from here and we need to get the API key for Gemini. After we go to this site as you from here, it says aistudio.google.com app API key. You need to go to it to get your Gemini API key. After that, now you need to generate an API key using the Gemini API. Once you generate your API key, simply copy it as I already said. And now you need to open your Janitor AI account, go to API settings, and paste your API key into the proxy section below the API key box. Now you need to select the custom option and add the model name of the API you're using. For example, we are all in the Janitor AI community using Gemini 2.5 Flash as see from here. So you need to add this model name and then you need to add the proxy URL as see from here. So you need to copy it as see from here. After that, you need to add the proxy URL from here. Once you've added all the information, simply click on Check API Key Model to verify it's working. If you get the message your API key is valid, you can move on to the next step. However, if you don't get this message or if you receive a network error, wait for a few minutes and try again. Sometimes it works even if you don't get any message after clicking on Check API Key Model. Just save everything and save the settings and try to just verify that it's really working. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.